morning, guys. It's 6:08. I woke up at 5. Struggled a little to get up, but when I saw all the clouds in the sky, I knew I had to get a move on because they were up before it was even light. So I've got to get a move on and set up camp and hopefully drive my tent out before it storms again, because it's going to storm again. I'm pretty much all ready, so I'm gonna hit the trail now. On my way to Bench Lake Ranger Station. Looks like a river ran down here yesterday. I think I'm coming up to a clearing. Yep. It's nice to enjoy the sounds of nature. Rushing of the rivers, blowing of the wind, chirping of the birds, although some birds I'd rather shoot because they're really obnoxious, etc. Mosquitoes really haven't been all that bad. Been annoying at times, but I haven't used my DEET yet. Wow. That's really pretty. There's certainly some damaged trees here. That one was cut down, or at least cut out of the way. And you can tell the trail crew has been through here, but dang. Like, look at that one. Like snapped in the middle almost. Except it actually decided to bend. But there is a crack. Jeez. Look at all that. Ooh, what a view. Look, all those trees just bent. Bunch of dead ones too. A little bit of a scenery change here. I see a tent. Late riser. See something hanging from a tree. Oh, it's probably theirs. More late risers. Morning. How'd you guys do in that storm yesterday? Yeah.
Cold and wet. How about you? Was it bad over there?
Yeah, it was pretty bad. It was pouring really hard.
Did you get hailed on?
Hail?
No, did you?
Oh, for like 3 hours.
Are you kidding me? Shit.
Off and on for 3 hours.
Yeah.
How big?
All
That
tiny,
hurt.
but they hurt.
They hurt.
I believe it. Man. I guess we're going to be getting another storm today too, so.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Happy trails. Well, I didn't get hailed, but they sure did. this scenery. It's so diverse. It's also really humid in this section. Probably because of these plants. Hello, dear. Hi there. Hi. You look like you had a wet night too. Hi. Hi there. Can I get a picture of you? Or are you just gonna walk off on me? Or run off like the pika do? I'll take it. Hi there. I'll pet you if you let me. Alright, I'll leave you be. Not really thrilled with this crossing. This is a big one. Okay, that crossing was really sketchy. I should have filmed the whole stupid thing. But I made it over to that big rock just fine. And I stepped down on that log and started making my way across, which I was bracing with my poles, and it's shallow, so it was fine. Until the log started to move. But I made it onto the next rock, and to the next rock, and I finally made it here. It was really sketchy though. I was coaching myself the whole way. I was a little concerned. I didn't want to get wet. But I'm alright, thank God. Whew. There's like a little fall over there too. Not that I would have been carried around. As I was saying before my battery cut out, even if I had fallen, it's too shallow for me to have really gone over the little waterfall there. But I could have easily broken something because of all the rocks. But I'm just glad I'm across. That was dicey. That was really dicey. I didn't like that crossing at all. Okay, according to my map here on my GPS, which I have a paper map too, but this shows me exactly where I am. It looks like I have about a mile, maybe a little bit more. That looks like there's some switchbacks. So that can throw things off for the GPS, which is why I know my odometer on there is wrong. I've actually gone farther than what it says, and that's because of, you know, having to do switchbacks. It's hard for it to read that. So, but I think I have a mile and a half or less. Probably less. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I just reached a trail junction. Caboose Pass is that way. So the ranger station is this way. Just reached the ranger station sign. It's like a minute after the other sign. There are mosquitoes around. So I gotta go that way. 50 yards upslope. That's towards Pinchot Pass. Where even if you're not getting rained on, you're getting wrecked. It's just after 6 in the evening. That's toward Mather, where we're getting hit again too. Here's my very wet tent. I mean, it's pretty and all that, but dang, can you stop raining for once? It's supposed to rain early tomorrow too, like at 6, which is about the time I'll be hitting the trail, because I plan on getting up early, trying to beat this storm crap. But hopefully it doesn't hit at 6, because that would be unfortunate. But you know, if it does, it does. Still gotta hike. And the mosquitoes are coming out now. Go away. No. Clouds have mostly cleared up for now, but I still think it's gonna storm. I mean, if I had clouds at 5 a.m., I mean, it's likely. This is where I'm camped. I'm drying stuff out right now. And stuff, but I'll be mostly relaxing and stuff, so Hopefully I can get things dried and charged before the next storm. There's like 3 deer. One's right there. Where'd he go? There's another one. Oh, he's behind the bush. Oh, that's a shootable buck too. There's a hiker approaching, so they're running off. Here we go again. Those are some big drops. Holy crap, that's hail! That's hail! So the storm just stopped, at least temporarily. Hail. I hope you can hear me. Jeez, it's battering the crap out of my tent. Knock it off. I'm pushing it against my tent. That's not good. So much rain and hail. Oh, jeez.